Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. If you are preparing for TCS or any other exam, then you have a good news for you. Friends, Online Study for You has launched All India live mock test series based on the latest pattern of the examination. And this is completely free. You do not have to pay any amount. And also there is a cash prize of 1100 rupees and 500 rupees. I will give you the complete details in this video. Friends, before that, I wanted to tell you, if you want to crack any exam, like how Sri Raj Kumar cracked, like how Priya cracked, right? So you have to give this mock test, right? In real time, how you are able to perform. See, it doesn't matter how good you are at aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, coding. Till then, you don't solve the question in the given time, then you will not be able to get selected, right? So if you want to get selected like other student, then definitely all those things are very much required. And that's where we are able to give lot of results for every examination. Let it be very, very clear to you. Okay. Now, friends, so this test is on Saturday 7 p.m. That means today. So 13th of April, 7 p.m. But you will be able to give the test later also. Now, how to attempt the test? So friends, in this community post, you can find the link. Also, in the description of the video, you will be able to find out the link, right? So if you go here and you can check. So the link is there in the community post, test link. Okay. So once you click over here, the test is going to start only at 7 p.m. today, right? Okay. And also, friends, you can see a lot of results we have given in Deloitte. And this is the reason students are able to crack, because we are giving you a lot of things which is required. Now, so what I said, friends, it doesn't matter how good you are at aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, you have to give the mock test series so that you will be able to understand that in the given time, in the stipulated time, if you're able to solve the question or not, right? Okay. Now, friends, mock tests are very much required for cracking any of the examination, right? So either you write Deloitte, you write TCS, you write Infosys, any exam, mock test is very much required, and that too on the latest pattern and on the level of the question, right? So TCS has a very different level of the question. So you have to practice that kind of question in the mock test series. And friend, discussion is very, very important than mock test, right? You gave the mock test, right? Many questions you are not able to solve, or suppose, so total question is 65, and you are able to solve only 35, right? Okay. Then you need to attend the discussion to understand whatever you have solved, that you solved in the correct way or not, how much time you took. Now, suppose for one question you are taking 2 minutes, right? Or for one question you are taking 3 minutes. In the discussion, you will come to know where exactly you are spending more time, right? Why you were not able to solve, right, more than 40 or 50 questions. So that you need to understand. And also we will display the marks. So discussion will be happening on Sunday, right? So discussion will happen on Sunday 4 to 5:30 for aptitude reasoning, and 5:30 to 6:30 verbal ability discussion. But these discussions will be happening only for the candidate, those who have enrolled for crash course on TCS or Achiever batch, right? So if you have not yet enrolled, don't miss this opportunity, friends, because if you really want to crack, if you're serious about cracking a exam, getting selected in TCS, then this course will definitely help you a lot, right? So don't think about 999 rupees. This will help you to get a monthly, right, salary of 30,000, 25 to 30,000 per month, right? Okay, so I'm talking about Ninja, then Digital, then Prime. So you can get a package of up to 9 lakhs per annum if you get this 999 rupees course, right? Because we are doing a lot of things. See, the test discussion will happen. I will show you. Otherwise, you will say, sir, you just say, but where the test discussions are happening, please let us know. So you remember the first test, right? The first test discussion is here. Okay. So test series discussion 1, right? Test series 1 discussion. So you can see the discussion in the video form 1.5 hours. we had solved all the question, right? So friends, this is going to teach you, this is going to tell you where exactly you are spending more time. So you will be able to understand in the test discussion that where exactly you are spending more time, why you took more time, why it went wrong, why you are not able to think about the logic during the examination. So each and everything we will discuss. So this will be get discussed as part of your TCS NQT crash course or Achiever batch. This will not be free, but the test is free for everyone, right? So free test series, you can say the test is free for everyone. The link will be there in the video description as well. Now, cash prize of 1000, 100 rupees, 500 and 500. So three test winner will be there. The name will be also displayed on our community page. But this cash prize winner will be the TCS NQT crash course or Achiever batch student, right? So see, because they have already paid it and they are part of our community, they are part of our group. So the cash prize will definitely go to the winner of our courses, right? Okay, so that is the second thing. So friends, write the test everyone, and if you have not enrolled into TCS crash course, do it now, because lot of mock test discussion, lot of things, and even I told you the WhatsApp group, right? So in WhatsApp group also lot of discussions are happening on daily basis. Lot of questions the people are able to solve. So you can see TCS NQT paid group. So already lot of discussion, lot of questions, everything is happening right on daily basis. So this is where you are going to give the result, because we are working with you, we are working for the student, and the result is here, right? The result is here. People are getting placed in Ninja, people are getting placed in Deloitte, people are getting placed in Prime, right? So everywhere we are giving the results. The only reason is because we are behind you, we are forcing you to do that, and we are letting you to do that, right? So with this promise, definitely we are going to do better. So the link is in description. At 7 p.m. sharp, write the test. Even you can write the test later also. But remember, this test is going to help you a lot to understand your level of preparation. And friends, marks and ranks, right? So marks and rank will be displayed after you install the app. So you write the test from the link, and after you write the test, download the app and then see how much marks you have scored. What is your rank? Because this is all India mock test. So please check what is your rank in that, right? So today at 7 p.m. TCS free mock test series. So thank you. Please attempt and let us see how can we move ahead with your discussions. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.